Hey, Kira, can I dress you up like a Christmas tree? I think I can. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this cute little Christmas costume for dogs. It's basically like a prop for taking photos. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Kira, you gonna let me do this? Let's find out. So basically, this comes with some garland, and it has these little plastic Christmas ornaments that have string on them, and you kind of just put them on there. And then it came with this. Can we put it on you? She's like, no, you cannot. So basically, you get the cute headband piece, and then you get the garland, and then you get this. The most poutiest photo prop ever. You're the photo prop, not the props that are on you. We should put these on a dog that might not look so sad, because these are really, really cute. Well, you look much happier, okay, maybe a little happier, hi Eleanor, than Kira did. Look at how cute this is. So like I said, basically you get the headband, you can put the headband on, and then this is just the garland, and you can kind of wrap it any way you want. So if your dog was sitting up, you could actually like wrap it around their body. And again, it's just a photo prop. This, you gotta kind of be careful with this. We had a piece of it that came off already, but it's just garland. And then, like I said, here, I'll pull this bulb off. So it's just got a little string, and what we did was we put it on like this and then wrapped it around and put the bulb back through it to kind of hold it in place. Do you want to try it? Okay, let's let you try it. Okay, you're adorable. You are really cute. She's like, I know I am. So like I was saying, when they sit and they stand, you can kind of wrap this around a little bit more. You have a little bit more freedom with the garland and how you want to put it on your dogs. It is really cute for photos. She's like, I've taken this off. This part can come off. And I did get some cute photos of the dogs, which we can show you here. Yes, you're adorable. She's like, I'm taking this part off. I'm taking it off all on my own. So like I said, this is really cute for like a photo prop. If you're doing some cute Christmas photos of your dogs, this would definitely be cute for that. The nice thing about it is it's really easy. Put the headband on, kind of drape that around them, and that's it. Don't leave them unattended with it because, you know, it can get tangled on things. But honestly, for what it is, it's pretty stinking cute. What do you think, Elle? Elle says, I'm just going to chew this stuff to... Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's not let you chew the stuff to bits. Say, you recommend this? She's like, yeah, but I think I got some garland in my teeth. Okay, I'll get it for you. That's why you don't want to leave it unattended with your pets, because it does shed a little bit. What do you think, Elle? You recommend it? She's like, I think I'm pretty cute, so yeah, you could take my photo. And she's off. See you later, bye.